Hi, I thought to do a quick video on some of the lubricants that I use in my shop. The tops, dyes, I like to use this product. It's very thick like a grease. Usually put it on with a toothbrush. And the beauty of this is it tends to stay where you put it, not like some of the thinner oils that go everywhere. I also like to use this on the shaper. It doesn't make too much of a mess. It works very well. On some of the cutting tools that I use with the lathe, I have been using this product. It's more of a liquid than the previous one, but that again, that works very well. On drills, milling cutters, end mills, I use a water-based soluble cutting oil. It's the same product that I use in the flood coolant, but I have this in a handy spray for smaller jobs. WD-40 works well when you're cutting aluminium. In the machine tool gearboxes, I've been using this product. And for some of the more specialised items that I use, and please believe me, I don't use these as they're intended. I find that this product works the best. Thanks for watching.